Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cydecker. In this one, I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons to buy the Realme GT Neo 2 device in the 2022 right now. Yes friends, recently I started to do this kind of series where I'll try to include few of the best reasons why you should pick individual mobile phones, and there are a lot of other advantages and disadvantages as well, so don't worry, I'll try to cover both topics in the videos. And just yesterday only friends, I did upload on the iQOO 7 device 3 reasons to buy the iQOO 7 device in 2022, and after watching this video I did get a lot of feedback regarding the Realme GT Master Edition. What are the 5 reasons do I think this device is really good to buy right now in the 2022? So first, let's get started friends without wasting any time. First thing is about the battery backup. The phone has got the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and which is very good 5000 mAh battery capacity. I'm getting about 8 hours of screen on time friends. So 8 hours and sometimes 9 hours as well screen on time in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. And right now I'm trying to use the Realme UI 3.0 update. So there's something you should know. And this battery backup may get impact from one software update to another software update. So you should always remember this one thing. So if I'm getting 8 hours and 9 hours, that doesn't mean you will be getting 8 hours and 9 hours unless you're using same software update. And this feedback has been given by few of my subscribers as well, because they are also able to get up to 9 hours of screen on time, which I did get a couple of comments saying from other users. So battery backup is one of my main reason why I'll be picking up the Realme GT Neo 2. There are a couple of other 5000 mAh of smartphones, but they don't offer this much of screen on time as Realme GT Neo 2 device. So you should know about this. And second reason would be the performance. So combination of the performance and the battery life is really very rare to get in any smartphone, because if you want the performance you will be losing up the battery, but if you want the battery backup you need to sacrifice with the performance. But that's not the case with the Snapdragon 870 chipset, because Snapdragon 870 chipset is really very powerful and very good power efficient as well. And if you try to look at overall benchmark score, in case if you're looking at the benchmark scores and everything and performance wise, so definitely friends, it feels really very smooth using the Realme GT Neo 2 device. I did install plenty of applications at this moment, as you can see, so many 150 plus applications, but still no lag, no delay. And I did mention that I was using this device for the past I think maybe 2 to 3 weeks. I did use only this phone as my primary device, and during that time I did get to know the performance is very solid in this device. It's very good. But only one problem is that the Realme UI, which is a big enemy at this moment, because the Realme UI will not allow you to play high refresh rate games. That's what the main problem issue is. So not Battlegrounds mobile game, because Battlegrounds mobile game anyway doesn't support 90 FPS by default. So I'm trying to talk about other games like 90 Hz refresh rate and 120 Hz refresh rate support games. You won't be able to play in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's something you should know. And recently I'm using this Moto H20 as my primary device. That's the reason I'm not using this device. So these are the reason friends why I would be telling you. And third reason would be because of the price. So all this you are getting for very low price at this moment on the Realme GT Neo 2, which is about 27,000 rupees. Yes friends, for 27,000 rupees you are getting really very good battery backup and very good performance, and for really low price. This is another reason why I would be picking up the Realme GT Neo 2 right now. If you are willing to buy this device for 32,000 rupees, maybe may not be, but I would not recommend. But if you are buying this device for 27,000 rupees or maybe 28 something, but still that's kind of really very close to other iQOO 7 other competitor smartphones as well. But if you're buying for 27,000 rupees, that's very good deal I would say on the Realme GT Neo 2 device. You can definitely buy this one. And fourth reason would be regarding the fast charging. Yes friends, fast charging, the phone can actually charge within 35 minutes of time. Yes, 35 minutes, that's very consistently maintaining the charging speed. I did upload I think more than 50 to 20 charging test videos on every software update. I did do the testing, but till now I did not face any kind of slow charging issues till now. There has been a lot of issues with other Realme phones, but there is no issue with this Realme GT Neo 2. For example, in the Realme X1 Max, I think after the Realme UI 3.0 update, in the Realme X1 Max, this phone takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes to charge, complete 100%. Before it used to be 50 minutes, but right now, after the update, this is taking about more than 1 hour. So, but because of the Realme UI 3.0, I did not see any kind of impact on the charging speed in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's kind of really perfect. And the final reason would be having connectivity, better connectivity and strong connectivity in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's one of the another biggest advantage why I will be definitely suggesting you to buy in the 2022, because if you're looking at the connectivity, you need to have few things. For example, 4G plus and Wi-Fi 6 compatibility. So Wi-Fi 6 is also supported at this moment in this device. Let me show you that. Let's go to the personal hotspot, and right now you should be able to see Wi-Fi 6 hotspot. You can actually generate the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot as well. That's also fantastic. Not only that, you can actually connect to the Wi-Fi and create portable hotspot at same time. So two things you can actually do at same time in the Realme GT Neo 2. That's one of the advantage. Only few phones will be having this kind of flexibility. That's another fantastic thing. And having really very good high transfer link speed. Transfer link speed for 2.4 GHz is 300 Mbps. If you ask me what is the transfer link speed means, so the more higher it is, the better and stronger connection and high speeds will be getting. In the iQOO 7 device, the transfer link speed for 2.4 GHz is only 144 Mbps. Only 144. So sometimes you may be able to experience slightly slow speeds using the Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes if the traffic is really high, you should definitely understand. But there is no problem with the 5 GHz, only with the 2.4 GHz. So Wi-Fi connection is really strong, and more 5G bands as well as a future-proof option, and better and strong 4G plus connection in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. So all these options and all these reasons why I'll be suggesting you to buy the Realme GT Neo 2, and this is a kind of very rare combination. You'll be getting a really very good battery backup and very good performance. And if you want battery backup, you need to sacrifice with the charging speed, but at this moment no need to sacrifice. For example, the POCO X8 GT takes 43 minutes or 45 minutes to full charge, but this phone takes only 35 minutes of full charge. So same battery capacity, but fast charging. That's POCO X3 GT has got 67 watts, this has got 65 watts, but still the phone was able to charge faster. So there are a lot of other reasons why I will not ask you to buy this device, but that's for another video. But these are the 5 reasons, friends, why I'll be picking up the Realme GT Neo 2 right now in the 2022 to buy this device. So let me know in the comment below, friends, what are your thoughts on this one particular topic. And one more thing I forgot to mention about the build quality. Haptic feedbacks are like very stronger than the other Realme GT phones, Realme X1 Max phones. That's very strong in this device. So those phones will get some kind of stronger, but it's not that strong as this Realme GT. This haptic feedback are like tuck. You will be getting very good haptic feedback. It's very good. They are not that odd type. They are like okay kind of haptic feedbacks. But this Realme GT Neo 2 has got a very strong haptic feedbacks, friends. That's another reason would be there why this phone will be the really good option. So only one thing which is missing is 3.5mm jack. If the Realme could have included, then a lot of people, then they will be really interested to buy this device rather than other smartphones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and these are the 5 reasons why I'll be picking up the Realme GT Neo 2. And see, meanwhile, make sure to comment below, friends, what are other reasons apart from this one. What are the other things you did feel best in this device? Until then, stay tuned for more updates, friends. Signing off. Bye.